Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G. Alright, here's the front of the box. And here's the side of the box. As you can see, it comes with a Google Apps and the Google services. Alright, I'll just unbox it today. As you can see, we're greeted by this Redmi by Xiaomi. I think this should come with all the quick start guides. Alright, and the case, I'm guessing. You got the SIM card puller as well. Yeah, so you can chuck your SIM card in. There's also a safety information pamphlet, and yeah, the quick start guide and the warranty card. Alright, and you got a they also give you a case. It's a simple black, like a matte black or like gray case. It looks pretty nice, in fairness. Alright, then we go back to the box. Yep, you're greeted with the phone itself. On the cover, it's just showing you all the features, like the camera, the display, yeah, and all the, yeah, like the specs and whatnot. Yep. So taking out of the cover, here's the phone itself. Comes with a I think a plastic screen protector on top. Yeah, and I'll just take the sticker off there. Yeah, it's a glossy black like back cover. I think it's plastic though, but it still looks very nice. You can see the camera module with the 3 cameras and the flash, very big. It's very boxy design. Yeah, it feels quite nice. Anyways, let's go back in the box and see what else is in there. Alright, so you're given a 67 watt fast charger, and you're also given a Type A to Type C cable. Yeah, which is nice. Yep. Is there anything else inside the box? Let's see. I think that's it. Yeah, that's all in the box. Alright, thank you for watching this unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G.